What's going on, everybody? We've got the Whiteline Front Sway Bar for our Project FC3. We're going to install that right now. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. We are doing a massive giveaway, and we're going to talk about it at the end of the video, so stay tuned. What's going on, everybody? It's JP from Edge Autosport.com. Thanks for tuning in. We've got the subframe off of Project FC3 right now. We're going to install a front sway bar. We actually have this thing off because we're doing a clutch install. We figured while it was off, there's no way that we weren't going to install a sway bar on it. So we're not going to go through the detail of taking the front subframe off, but we are just going to show you once you do have it off, how simple it is to get it on there. So just a few bolts and replacing the front sway bar, and we should be good to go. So let's get started. All right, so the sway bar is out. Now we just gotta get this new one out of the bag and just pop that right onto the subframe. Should be pretty easy. Okay, that is it. That's how you install a front sway bar, as long as the subframe is out of the car. Obviously, that's the hard part, but this was the easy part, so hopefully you enjoyed that. Thanks for staying tuned to the end. We are going to announce our giveaway now. We are going to give away an e-tune. So it applies to a lot of different cars, a handful of different devices. And if you want to enter for the e-tune and find out more about it, the contest begins today and ends on Sunday, November 24th. So make sure you register by then. Click the link in the description below. It's going to be very clear which link it is, and you'll find out more about it. You can register for the contest, all that good stuff. So we're going to give away an e-tune. Go there right now and check it out. Thank you very much for watching the video. We'll see you next time.